How to stream HBO Max on Discord. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. Starting off, launch a Discord application in your PC or just head over to discord.com. At the top, you will see Open Discord. Just click on it. If you have not logged into your account yet, make sure to log in. Now, before you stream or share the video with the HBO Max, just tap on the user setting at the bottom. In your left-hand side, you will find various of settings. Scroll down and under App Settings, you need to click on the option of Advanced. In here, if there is an option called Hardware Acceleration, make sure to toggle it off. This is to better stream off your HBO Max. After which you can select on the streamer mode and if required you can conduct necessary settings. After which check out your HBO Max. If you have not signed in, make sure to sign in. Then tap on the three dot of the browser and scroll down until you find the settings option. In the search bar, search for hardware acceleration as well. If any of this option is available, make sure to disable it as well. Once you have checked in this part, return back to your Discord application. Then you will have to select a server where you wish to stream your HBO Max. Enable your voice channel, then tap on Share Your Screen. From here, tap on the HBO Max page. Then make sure that you have toggled on Allow Sound Tap Audio. Once done, just tap on the share icon. And that is how you'll be able to stream your HBO Max on Discord. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.